Hey guys, welcome back. So something a bit different today. I've got a WPL 1/64th scale diecast miniature model. Nice little message there from WPL, thank you. Very nice packaging. Very nice. There it is, there's the truck. Very nice. Let's take a closer look underneath. Got leaves working. Rubber tires. It's the back end, yeah. Let's see if we can focus on the inside there for you. So a nice detailed interior as well. What's ridiculous about these is on sites like Banggood, AliExpress, they suggest products for me as they do, and I see a lot of diecast models that catch my eye, but they're like 24 quid. I think this was like 4 quid, and the detail you're getting is unreal. So WPL have also said that this is just the first in line of the rest of their models, so there's a collection to be had, so I'm excited about that. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this little guy in the comments below. I'll try and get some cool shots of it now. Cheers for watching, guys. Catch you next time.